Section 7, Shah Alam. So you can come here. This is Nasi Kalut Jitra Mai. So you can see the line there is crazy. And I'm here at about 6 o'clock on Sunday. Okay, so that's why the line is like that. And it's just after rain, so I expect more people to come later. So let's go try. Kuah, wow, looks good. Ada tiga jenis Ada tiga jenis kuah.
Kuah dah, kuah daging, kuah sotong.
Oh, okay.
Campur sekali bang, sedap bang.
Campur je.
Okey, campur sekali
Ni nasi kalau yang famous tu.
Ayam bang.
Wah, bau power. Aroma dia. Tapi nampak macam nasi kandar.
Nasi kandar ni.
Oh. Smell is very nice. Know what spices they put.
Abang lauk.
Comes with a boiled egg and the whole thing is here. Very nice smell. So you can sit inside, but you have to sit this style. Cross leg and take off your shoes. Or like me outside, like this. So this is the famous Nasi Kalut. I took the ayam bawang. This one is their signature dish here. The chicken is cooked with caramelized onion, and the rice is the specialty here. It's served together with the boiled egg, and also if you take the set, this set cost me about 14 bucks. 14 bucks, and it comes with the chicken, ayam bawang, and also one hard-boiled egg, one rice, and lady's finger. The rice is not the normal white rice. It's cooked in some spices, very aromatic smell. Of course, if you put all the spices together, soup together, you can't smell. Terima kasih. So okay, order it with satay and pepes ayam, satay ikan and pepes ayam. I'm here at Nasi Kandar Kedahan. This is the rice here. Okay, very aromatic. Okay, nice. So this is the ayam bawang. So onion chicken. The key here is the caramelized onion. Caramelized onion. Sweet. No, it's not spicy. Not spicy at all. Then this is good. This caramelized onion is good. Let's try the chicken together with the rice. Forgot to tell the person don't want wings. Don't quite like chicken wing. How is this? Just green tea. No, crunchy. Yes, it's spicy. Wrestling with the chicken. So this is chicken. Really hard. Maybe because I came at the evening. So if you want to enjoy the best peak of everything, come early in the morning this place. They open at 10 a.m. Okay, I think it's time for me to enjoy my dinner and see you around next video. Alright, I'm Nasi Kalut Jitra in Seksyen 7, Shah Alam. Bye bye.